Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick video on a new listing in my Zibbet store. The name of the store is Kathie's World. There is a link down below. I'm not sure if that link's still going to work. I need to check it because I did change the channel name. The Zibbet store name. Okay, what I have done is put together 3 kits. I am doing a Destash store. And just, I'm going to do as many kits as I can. But these are journal kits. It's not a complete journal unless you only want one signature, but it's pretty good. So what I have put in each kit is the same ribbon. Each kit will have a mini doily. They're not all going to be the same because I don't have all the same. Each kit will have a good selection of lace that you can use for something. Each kit will have these exact same punches, and these are the ones I got in my Stampin' Up. I put a stamp on it, subscription box, with the bird and the limb and the bird feather. But I have punched them out of book pages and some painty papers. So there's, I don't know, maybe 8 or 10 punches. Each kit has 4 tags, and you can trace around the tags to make your own tags. Use these as patterns, or you can put these in your book. Each kit will have 1 or 2 pockets with a journal card in it that I have made, that I had in my stash. And this one has just this little fold. Each kit has, I think it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12 by 12, 1, 2, 3, yes, 5. 12 by 12 pages. Yes, they are folded, but you can run just a little warm iron over the back side of them and straighten them out if you want the whole 12 by 12. But you can use these to make a journal, a mini journal, or whatever, add in with the other stuff. Excuse me, still sick. Each kit has a couple of stamped cards. Each kit will have 2 paper bags, and there's another one in here somewhere. Each kit will have some book pages, and these are vintage book pages. And it's about 4 of this book in each kit. There's another stamped card. Each kit has painty papers in them. And most of them are 2-sided, some are 4-sided. Each kit has a piece of tracing paper, a large page from a music book, and I believe this is my 5 sheets. Wait a minute, make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of coffee dyed paper. More book pages, and this is from a vintage genealogy book that did not go with my family, although we thought it was. Turned out to be the wrong section. Let's see. Here's my other paper bag. Each kit will have a separate little kit inside. And all of them have the exact same thing of these 3. This is lot number 4 in my store. There is enough twine. I have pulled off 3 times the length of the paper to sew a 3-hole signature. There is really good cardstock. This is Stampin' Up! Cardstock. And there's 2 different sizes of this. It's reversible. So there's that. Each one has the library card and the pocket that you can alter any way you want. It has the pack of bingo cards, 1 of each color, and you can alter them any way you want. 2 guest checks. This is a Mrs. Fleshman's Vintage Cookbook, and I believe there's 2 or 3 pages. There are 2 pages, but as you can see, I took them out whole so they can go in the center of a journal. And this is a vintage Heckman's I think it is. Heckman's Dutch Tea. And I took it out in the center, so it's got some good recipes in here, to be honest with you, but you can also use it in your journal. And I have put in another one from another cookbook, and you know, it's just a journaling page, and then each one has a sheet of National Geographic in it. So this is, all three are the same. The variations in them will be, as you can see, this pocket has some blue rickrack on it. The variations will be the doily, the lace, and the pockets. I'm not listing them individually. I am listing them as lot 4, number 1, 2, and 3. So you can purchase, you know, one or all, but it's just the easiest way for me to list them and to get my Destash in the store as fast as I can. So I'm going to put this in with that other stuff. Here it is. I hope you will be interested in purchasing it. And like I said, the link is below to the Zibbet Store. Everything is sealed in plastic. And for those of you who are concerned, and it has come up recently in someone else's live stream, I am a smoker, and I do have animals, but I don't smoke in my craft room, and the animals have never been in my craft room, and we have a built-in air purifier in our furnace because of my allergies in my AC unit. So that I know of, I've never had complaints. And I've asked several people recently, is there the smell of smoke or anything else in my things that I have sent to them? So, you know, this is a Destash store. It is all sold as is. There are no refunds. There are no exchanges. I will do videos and I will show what it is. But other than that, that's the best I can give you is my word that, you know, I don't smoke in my craft room. It's just, we don't smoke in the house now. We used to smoke in the house, but we don't even smoke in the house now. We have a 2-year-old and newborns that come here. So, this is it. I hope you'll be interested, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.